Alright, welcome to the fifth topic of the images chapter 7. I hope you're enjoying this topic a lot as much as I am. Okay, so I said in the previous topics that let's try to link this image to edupediaworld.com. How would you do that? Okay, remember, links are always done using the anchor tag, always. Okay, and I will keep this image here. This one I will keep, but I will show you how another image will be created. Okay, and let's create an anchor tag, and then you've done this before. Href is equal to, for example, let's do the entire address, http www.edupediaworld.com. Notice without the https sometimes the links don't work. Okay, and I'm going to close the inverted commas, and I'm going to close the anchor tag, and then I'm going to open the image. So image tag, image source is equal to the same image as this one. Where is this image? This one. Okay, this entire thing. Control C, Control V. Okay, so it's a very long line of code, just showing it to you how we did it. Okay, yeah, this is what we just did. Okay, I'm saying show this image with this alternate text. Okay, here's a mistake, double inverted commas. Okay, show this image with this alternate text and these dimensions. Okay, and close this image tag and link it to this website. Okay, all right, and then we have to also close the alternate tag. The alternate tag goes here. Sorry, not the alternate tag, the anchor tag, a tag needs to be closed. Okay, let's save this file save. Okay, after saving, let's try to run the file. All right, there you go. What do you see here? You see two images, the JPEG images, but one, when you hover over it, the mouse remains like an arrow. The other one, when you hover, the mouse has, becomes something that you can link on. It's a clickable link. What happens when I click on it? This is what happens. The web page changes and you
edupediaworld.com.
Okay,
what do we do?
I'll go back. Okay, so this was like an absolute link. And remember, we could define, when I'm in the linking chapter, I discussed that if you want your window to open in another, you want the website to open in another window, you can define that as well. You can control that. Right now, I'm not worried about that. What I'm trying to show is that how within the anchor tag, sometimes also called the address tag, the anchor tag, you can use the image tag, okay, with all its attributes, and then you can make the image clickable. Okay, is that clear? And the last thing that I want to say is there's another thing that you can add within this image tag here. Okay, just add a space here and then say border is equal to 0. Sometimes, some web browsers, they create a small border around the image. Okay, now this is not a very good example here of an image without a border, because already this is black in color. Okay, and you can create a bordered image by defining the width of the border. Okay, border is equal to 0. That means 0 pixels, 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, whatever you want to define. Just file, save, and rerun this page. You don't see much difference, but if you try to apply it with this, what do we call, image here, let's try to do that. Here, right here, Control C. Okay, so like I said, this was not, you couldn't see the border. What if I just Control C and try to copy this, and I pasted it right here. Which image? The image of the boxing boy, okay, with a relative file address. And you say instead of border is equal to 0, which is already 0 here, okay. You can explicitly define the border as 2, okay. And let's save the file, and there you go, you have a border with 2 pixels. What if I don't like a very thick border? I want save. Okay, this is slightly thinner than before. All right, and this is all about images, how you can integrate images within your website. Okay, let's go back to the chapter. Yes, we have image maps, and then we have floating images. Let's talk about that in the next video.